Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a case cutlery leather sheet for your traditional knives carry on the belt sheet. So I purchased this one recently. This was made this year. Some information, so the model number on the pouch sheet number is 50289. This should be the larger one, and this should fit a 102 millimeter or 4 inches large knife. So let's open it up and test it out. So we have a really nice firm leather. It looks like double stitching. A really nice large belt loop, so this will fit probably also your all sorts of also tactical belts. So this is good to have. Okay, let's see what have you on the table. So this is my case, tribal lock. This is a larger knife. Yeah, it's fit nicely, really snug. Here on the table also the brother model 1508 CF. Also nice. You could definitely also fit a smaller knife. Let's look what we have here. I have a buck. This is a 0385 BRSB toothpick with wood. And definitely you can hide it there, but let's face it, he has no lanyard hole to put some kind of cord or string on it. So this is your toothpick here. Also, this is midnight swirl Stockman from Rough Rider. Also, you will have to fish it out. Yeah, but overall, really nice. Nice little pouch. The pricing on this one should be around $10 to $12, depending on where you're buying it. So definitely not that expensive. And if you like to carry a knife that doesn't have a pocket clip, or just to have a nice leather sheath, maybe this is my Buck Sprint Pro. You can also, yeah, it could fit. Definitely. Okay, so this was just a quick video. If you are interested, you can go and check them out. Case is producing mainly knives, but also some equipment for the knife hobbyist or knife carry, storage, and display stands. Okay, so this was the case Cutlery leather sheath 50289. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. Any suggestions are appreciated. Also, if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. If you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week. All my videos are product oriented, so I try to share my experience with my hobby and tools and obviously products that I'm interested in, and give here on my channel the honest opinion about it. Okay, so thanks for watching. I see you soon. Bye.